In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a sprint in Jira, a vital skill to have for efficient agile project management. Whether you're wrapping up a current sprint or preparing to kick off a new one, following these steps will ensure your tasks are properly organized and your workflow remains seamless. First, head to the Jira website and make sure you're logged in. If you aren't already signed in, click on the Google option and use your Google account credentials to gain access. This integration makes logging in straightforward and saves time, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to locate your project board. On the left panel of the Jira interface, you'll notice a navigation menu. Scan through this menu to find your specific board. If you have multiple projects, it may take an extra second, but navigating through the left panel is designed to be quick and user-friendly. With the board displayed, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Active Sprints. This section displays the sprints that are currently underway, giving you an overview of tasks in progress. It's important to be on the correct active sprint, as this will provide the contextual insight necessary for closure. After accessing the Active Sprints view, look for the three dots icon, typically found in the upper corner of the sprint details. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers several options for managing tasks and progression. Next, select Remove from Sprint. It is crucial to ensure that any tasks not completed within the sprint are correctly allocated for future action or re-evaluation. This option allows you to move incomplete tasks out of the current sprint, maintaining task integrity and preparation for retrospective reviews. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can close your sprint in Jira efficiently, maintaining the accuracy and clarity of your team's workflow. Closing sprints in this structured way not only helps in keeping your project organized, but also enhances team communication and productivity by setting a clear path forward with each completed sprint. Remember that keeping a well-maintained project board is key to success in agile management. Closing out sprints regularly ensures that everyone on your team stays informed and that processes continue running smoothly. Thank you for watching. And I hope this guide has made closing your sprints in Jira a little less intimidating and a lot more manageable.